Let's take it back to 2024.
We're going in search of summer, but no sign of that across the UK, that's for sure.
It's been one of the soggiest summers on record.
Why does it always rain on me? Why does it always rain on me?
Call when we run down this rain.
Even when the sun is shining.
Why am I wet? Yeah, let's rain.
When skies are grey, hope is the way.
Unbelievable!
We needed something to brighten up the summer, and this is it.
Paris 2024!
A stunning games for Paralympics GB.
The bronze medal for Great Britain is a silver medal.
Gold for being brilliant!
Welcome to the final of Euro 2024.
A moment of brilliance from Bellingham! Now in the Lions roar!
When I met you in the summer.
That's bra.
...2024, the 80th anniversary of D-Day.
We were fighting for freedom. Freedom for everyone, not only for us.
I feel very proud I did something for peace.
Even in the darkest moments, there's always hope.
As we start a new year, let's honor our history and never give up hope for the future.
No matter what happens, London will always be a city of hope and a place for everyone.
Till lightning
lives.
We're in heaven. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. I need your love.
Never ever be alone.
Don't stop thinking about tomorrow.
It's a new dawn, it's a new day.
As long as I'm alive, then I'll be sponsoring your pride.
I'll be standing there by you. I need your love. We're in heaven.
Yo, pump up the jam, pump it up while your feet are stumping. And the jam is bumping. Look ahead, the crowd is jumping. Pump it up a little more, get the party going on the dance floor. See, 'cause that's where the party's at, and you'll find out if you do that.
Love is all that I need, and I found it there in your heart. It isn't too hard to see. We're in heaven.
Pump up the jam, pump it up. Pump up the jam, pump it up.
As we enter a new year, I always remember what Mrs. Brown says. In London, everyone is different. But that means anyone can fit in. I think she must be right, because although I don't look like anyone else, I really do feel at home. Happy New Year, love from Paddington.